front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. When you're ready, hit Permission Manager and click on one of those devices features to manage it. For example, I want to manage location access. Then click on one of your apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Firefox from not allowed one. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Location access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to apply a first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Firefox just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. If you want to, you can also select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, and instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down to access this one, see all permissions. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!